Now we will start the third part of the first module, which is understanding the role of 3D printing in Industry 4.0. So we'll move further, but I would like to start this module with a video which will give you a comprehensive idea of how 3D printing fits into the Industry 4.0 scenario. So as you can see in this video, there is a cobot which has been integrated into a 3D printing farm. Now, what is a 3D printing farm? Where multiple 3D printers are trying to print components. Now, these 3D printers were earlier handled by uh, human operators. So there was a limitation in terms of the time at which the 3D printers can work or not. But the good part is that all the 3D printers are IoT enabled. And the what I mentioned earlier about cyber physical systems. So one 3D printer, rather than one, all the 3D printers are talking to the cobot. So the cobot exactly knows when to put a base plate and give the command to the 3D printer to start the job. And when the job is completed, the 3D printer will remove the job and prepare the machine for the next job. Also, there is a conveyor belt that you can see in this video. So the cobot will remove the printed job from the machine and put it on the conveyor belt so that it can be taken up for the next post-processing operation. So this video is by Insider Tech and Voodoo Manufacturing, where they have successfully implemented 3D printing in an Industry 4.0 scenario. Now let's talk about one more example of 3D printing in Industry 4.0 scenario, where we are using where we are using Industry 4.0 integrated 3D printer itself. So as you can see, in this case, the robotic arm itself is doing the 3D printing. This is the example of metal 3D printing where the component is being made real fast, and all of this does not require any human interference. So these are the two examples that we covered. Now let's try to understand what advantage of using 3D printing in an Industry 4.0 scenario is very much visible. So we spoke about how Industry 4.0 is focused towards customization and personalization job, and 3D printing is something which is the best suited manufacturing method to manufacture components on demand, and it is capable of manufacturing unique components. For example, if there is a 3D print build volume where I can fit 5 components, all the 5 components can have different designs, and there will be no effect on the cost. If I have to manufacture all the components of the same design, the cost will be same. If I have to manufacture all the components of different design, the cost will be same, given that the volume and time of manufacturing of the components is nearly same. So you can make tailored items using 3D printing. And this is what we discussed in the during the significance of Industry 4.0 as well. Then supply chain optimization. Now, how 3D printing enables supply chain optimization? 3D printing allows you to manufacture components at different locations rather than conventional factories where all the components were manufactured at a single location. Now, what happens that this helps in reducing the supply chain cost. The parts can be produced near to the actual use of the component. So this is called as distributed manufacturing. This gives flexibility to the manufacturer, and it does not involve the cost of transportation from one place to another, because it is all digital data driven. One person sitting on a computer in some other country can give command to a 3D printer in some other country, and the job can be done. It it will eventually help us in reducing the lead time of manufacturing that component and also the cost associated to it. Then on-demand manufacturing. So what I just covered is basically on-demand manufacturing. When you need a part, then only you manufacture it. No need to maintain an inventory of components. When you know that your part is has become non-functional due to some defects in the part, then itself at that time you can manufacture the component using 3D printing. So all these principles are in line with Industry 4.0. So that is why I have said earlier, 3D printing and Industry 4.0 go hand in hand. Then lead time is certainly reduced because you are not adding material, you are removing material. In the next module, which is focused on 3D printing itself, we will try to understand how 3D printing helps us in reducing the lead time, but it definitely shortens the product development cycle. How it does that, we will understand in the next module. Sustainability. There is no doubt that 3D printing is the one of the most green way of manufacturing. It has very less scrap, so it is considered as a very sustainable method of manufacturing. Now, digital twin is a new concept here, which we did not discuss in the Industry 4.0 part. Digital twin basically is like whatever manufacturing you are going to do, you have a digital replica of it in your computer. So before doing the actual manufacturing, you can simulate the whole process, and these digital models can be tested with the real world scenario. So you will exactly know, okay, when I'm going to manufacture this part using 3D printing or any other advanced manufacturing Industry 4.0 method, what is going to be the implications or how the part is going to come out. Once you are satisfied with the end result, then only go with the manufacturing. This will also help you in reducing the waste. Now, IoT and big data is one of the key element of digital manufacturing. So 3D printing is one technology where it is very easy to integrate the sensors. In most of the 3D printers, these kind of sensors will already be there. All you have to do is devise a methodology to acquire that data using those IoT sensors, and then analyze it and come out with a better way of production. And all of this can be done using software tools. So this was about the role of 3D printing in Industry 4.0. Let's move forward and try to understand how does 3D printing work and how will it enable all these points in a manufacturing scenario. But before moving to the next module, we will cover the last part in the next video, which is smart manufacturing. So yeah, that's it about the role of 3D printing in Industry 4.0.